Our journey begins over 230 million years ago, in a time known as the Triassic period. Imagine standing on Earth back then. What do you think you'd see? This era marked the beginning of a new chapter in Earth's history, a chapter that would see the rise of some of the most fascinating creatures to ever walk the planet. Earth looked much different then. The landscape was a mosaic of vast deserts, lush forests, and expansive oceans, all teeming with life that was both familiar and alien to us today. Did you know that some of the earliest dinosaurs were no bigger than a dog? The continents were huddled together in a massive supercontinent called Pangaea. This supercontinent stretched from the northern to the southern poles, creating a unique environment where species could migrate and evolve in ways that are hard to imagine today. Can you picture a world where all the continents are one? The air was hot and dry, a stark contrast to the humid tropical climates that would dominate later periods. This arid environment posed significant challenges for the creatures that lived there, but it also provided opportunities for those that could adapt. Fun fact: some early dinosaurs had feathers. This was the backdrop for the rise of the dinosaurs. These early pioneers were not the colossal giants we often think of, but rather small, nimble creatures that had to navigate a world filled with danger and competition. What do you think helped them survive? These first dinosaurs were not the giants we often imagine. They were small, agile creatures, often overshadowed by other reptiles. Yet their size and agility gave them unique advantages in this harsh environment. Imagine being a tiny dinosaur in a world of giants. They were small, agile creatures, often overshadowed by other reptiles. But their small size allowed them to move quickly and efficiently, escaping predators and hunting for food with remarkable speed. How fast do you think they could run? But within these early dinosaurs lay potential. They were the seeds of a future that would see them evolve into some of the most dominant creatures on Earth. Can you guess which dinosaur was the first to become a giant? They possessed an evolutionary advantage. They were faster and more agile than their rivals. This speed and agility allowed them to exploit new niches and survive in a world that was constantly changing. Fun fact: some dinosaurs could run up to 40 miles per hour. Over millions of years, dinosaurs diversified. They evolved into a wide array of shapes and sizes, each adapted to their specific environments. What kind of dinosaur would you want to be? Different groups evolved, each adapting to unique environments and ecological niches. Some became fierce predators, while others turned into gentle giants grazing on the abundant vegetation. Did you know that some dinosaurs had teeth the size of bananas? The Triassic ended with another massive extinction event, wiping out many of the dinosaurs' competitors. This catastrophic event reshaped the world, creating new opportunities for the survivors. Imagine witnessing such a dramatic change. This paved the way for their true reign to begin. With fewer competitors, dinosaurs began to thrive, evolving into even more diverse and specialized forms. What do you think helped them become so successful? The Jurassic period dawned, and with it, the dinosaurs' golden age. This era saw the rise of some of the most iconic dinosaurs, from the towering Brachiosaurus to the fearsome Allosaurus. Which dinosaur is your favorite? They grew to colossal sizes, becoming the undisputed rulers of the planet. Their dominance was evident in every corner of the Earth, from the deepest forests to the vast plains. Can you imagine a world ruled by such giants? Their reign would last for over 180 million years, a testament to their incredible success. During this time, they would continue to evolve and adapt, leaving an indelible mark on the history of our planet. What do you think the world would be like if dinosaurs were still around today? Imagine a world painted in shades of green. Vast forests stretched across the continents, teeming with life. Giant ferns unfurled their fronds under the sun. Towering conifers reached for the sky. This was the world the dinosaurs knew. Dinosaurs lived in a variety of habitats. Some roamed lush plains, grazing on ferns and cycads. Others stalked prey through dense jungles. Some even adapted to life in and around water, becoming adept swimmers. Their lifestyles were just as diverse as their habitats. Some dinosaurs were solitary creatures, preferring to live alone. Others formed herds for protection, traveling great distances in search of food and water. Dinosaurs, like animals today, had complex social interactions. They communicated with each other through a variety of sounds and gestures. They fought for territory and mates. They cared for their young. Hey kids! Ever wondered what dinosaurs like to eat? Let's dive into the world of these amazing creatures and find out! Dinosaurs had different diets, and that shaped how they lived and looked. Dinosaurs were divided into 3 groups based on their food: meat eaters, plant eaters, and those that ate both. Knowing what they ate helps us understand how they lived. Meat eaters, or carnivores, had sharp teeth and strong jaws to munch on other animals. They were the top hunters. Take the T-Rex, for example. It had super strong jaws to crush bones and eat big prey. Imagine how powerful it was. Then there were the speedy velociraptors and clever Allosaurus. Velociraptors hunted in packs, while Allosaurus used its sharp claws to catch food. Plant eaters, or herbivores, loved munching on leaves and plants. They had special teeth to help them chew tough plants. Brachiosaurus, for instance, could reach the tallest trees with its long neck. It was like having a built-in ladder. And Triceratops, with its cool horns and frill, grazed on low plants. Its beak-like mouth was perfect for snipping plants. Some dinosaurs, called omnivores, ate both plants and meat. They could eat whatever was available, making them very adaptable. Oviraptor, for example, had a beak-like snout and ate eggs, insects, and plants. It could find food almost anywhere. So, there you have it. Dinosaurs had different diets that helped them survive in their world. From fierce meat eaters to gentle plant eaters and flexible omnivores, each one had a special role. Isn't that cool? The world of dinosaurs was a world of extremes. It was a time when the Earth was ruled by creatures of all shapes and sizes, each adapted to their unique environments and roles within the ecosystem. There were titans that shook the ground with every step, their immense weight causing the Earth to tremble beneath them. These colossal beings were the giants of their time, dominating the landscape with their sheer size and strength. Then there were the tyrants, fearsome predators with jaws that could crush bone. These apex hunters were the rulers of their domains, their powerful bites capable of bringing down even the most formidable prey. And amidst these giants and tyrants were the minis, tiny dinosaurs that could fit in the palm of your hand. These small creatures were agile and quick, often relying on their speed and cunning to survive in a world filled with much larger predators. Argentinosaurus, a massive herbivore, is a prime example of dinosaur gigantism. This enormous creature roamed the ancient forests and plains, using its long neck to reach the highest leaves and branches. This long-necked giant could reach over 100 feet in length and weigh as much as 10 elephants. Its sheer size was not just a marvel of nature, but also a crucial adaptation for survival, allowing it to access food sources that were out of reach for other herbivores. Its sheer size was a deterrent to even the largest predators. Few dared to challenge an Argentinosaurus, knowing that its massive bulk and powerful tail could easily fend off attackers. On the other end of the spectrum, Compsognathus was a tiny carnivore, no bigger than a chicken. Despite its small size, it was a skilled hunter, darting through the undergrowth with incredible agility. This agile hunter darted through the undergrowth, preying on insects and small animals. Its small size allowed it to navigate through dense vegetation and catch prey that larger predators might overlook. And then there were the tyrants, like Tyrannosaurus rex. This iconic dinosaur was the apex predator of its time, feared by all other creatures that shared its habitat. This fearsome predator was the king of its domain, ruling with an iron fist, or rather, an iron jaw. Its presence alone was enough to instill fear in the hearts of other dinosaurs. With a bite force stronger than any other known terrestrial animal, the T-Rex could crush bones with ease. This incredible power made it one of the most efficient and deadly hunters to ever walk the earth. Its massive head, powerful legs, and tiny arms are iconic features recognized worldwide. Despite the seemingly disproportionate size of its arms, the T-Rex was perfectly adapted to its role as a top predator, using its keen senses and brute strength to dominate its environment. The world of dinosaurs was a complex and dynamic ecosystem, with each species playing a vital role. From the towering titans to the cunning tyrants and the nimble minis, these ancient creatures created a vibrant tapestry of life that continues to fascinate us to this day. Though they have long since vanished from the earth, their legacy lives on in the fossils they left behind. These remnants of a bygone era offer us a glimpse into a world that was both alien and awe-inspiring, reminding us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. Through the dedicated work of paleontologists, we continue to uncover new insights into the lives of these magnificent creatures. Each discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, helping us to better understand the history of life on Earth and the forces that shaped it. The story of the dinosaurs is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life. It is a story that continues to captivate